Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's Little Boy of Gvng. We're a little bit running late on an interview here, waiting for a guest to show up. So for now, what we are going to do is we're going to show you how to gain traction on your page without using YouTube ads, just using groups, Facebook groups, and stuff like that. We'll go into some insights right now just to see. You can see some of my insights from just this week. This is stuff that I've done all from groups. This is some ad stuff that I've done just for my Shopify. But down here, go to all my posts and I'll show you all the insights for all this jazz. But a lot of this stuff is not paid. It is all organic. Basically just using Facebook groups that let you post freely depending on the type of content is and targeting your audience properly. Basically, one thing that I do to get a lot of likes on my pages, we gained about 100 likes this week. I think almost 120 now, actually, just this week. And what I've been doing is I will post videos, repost content, funny content, things that people like. Well, my internet's been a little bit slow here. Just give that a second and I'll just keep explaining what I'm saying. Basically, what I do is I'll find a funny video that's just posted, and then I'll repost it, and I'll share that to a bunch of meme groups. And then in the description, I'll be like, for more, like our page, and then I'll tag my page. Yeah. Last week we just broke 400. This week we broke 500. Now we're at 515. Another thing I would like to say is just to thank you for everybody who tuned into our live stream last night and participated in submitting your songs for the live stream so we could review your tracks and stuff. We actually got 1,700 plays just last night from that, and 260 comments, 70 shares. Like, lots of people were just sharing the crap out of it. And we're going to start doing that every day at 6 p.m. But let's get back to it. We'll go into my videos tab here, and I'll just show you a little bit of what I do. So this is what's going on right now. That's what you're watching. Basically, what I do here, let's find a nice good one. So for a good example, I'm going to use this. This is a video that basically Whoa Vicky, she like talked all this shit saying fuck Snoop Dogg, and then Snoop Dogg replied. And the second I saw that Snoop Dogg did a reply and someone put a video for it, I just took it, downloaded it, re-uploaded it, and then I shared it. Since this is sort of, Whoa Vicky's sort of on the meme side of things, and Snoop Dogg's on the rapper side of things, I was able to share this to a bunch of different groups, all regarding rap music and hip-hop, all regarding memes and stuff like that. And as you can see now, all these other people are now sharing the video, and it's got about 20,000 views. But if I go down, keep in mind my page only has 500 likes, and I didn't do any ads on this. This is all of it. It's just sharing it to groups. So see, at first I shared it to memes. I shared it to my wall. I shared it to another memes group. My friend shared it. More people started. See, just from 2 groups, all these people sharing the video. I only shared it to 2 groups so far, as you can see. And it's just because of knowing who's going to watch it, the type of people that are going to watch it. You know what I mean? And if we go to, where does it say it's got the views at? Yeah, right there. 20K views. Shared that to 2 groups. But see what I did, the reason why I got so much traction only sharing to these 2 groups is because what I did was I gained traction in these groups before by posting these other videos. Like these, as you can see, some of these only have 1K, 5K, 2K, sometimes not even 1K. You just got to keep putting out content. And then what I do in between all these content videos that I'm reposting is getting traction and consistency to my page, getting me likes, linking people to my page. When they link to my page, they see some of my actual produced content. from my show, from the vlogs, and from the live streams as well. So what I would like extremely suggest also is from your page, if there's something that's going on that's something that you're really passionate about, that you know other people are really passionate about, like for instance, something that really affected me, and I had to like take some time away from the internet and shit, with X dot. And I thought, hey, like a lot of people could get together, talk about this, and share music and keep his message of bad vibes forever going. They're just opening up a group about it. And what I did is I opened up a group about it, and I get about 10 people, random people from around the world, just trying to join the group each day. And this has only been open up for 2 weeks, and it's already got 184 followers, or something like that. And then, yeah, cross post from your Instagram accounts to your pages. Make sure all that's all linked together. Another thing that's really important is you got to make sure that you get yourself a good logo. You need to have a pristine logo to present your brand, because it's all about branding yourself. Because then when people see your little posts, they see that little circle, you got your nice little professional looking logo, and they see your post, and they're like, huh, I'm going to check that shit out. For anybody that wants to participate in these live streams, if you produce hip hop or rap music or something like that, then you can we put posts out every single day, and then we do this stream every day at 6 p.m. and we review tracks and try to get them a little bit of clout. And if we really like them, we'll dance a bit to them, and then we'll tell you to inbox us the link, and then we will promote it and shit like that. But yeah, this video is popular in Ontario, but if I go down and check out some of my other videos, I actually have a clout, because I've just been posting a lot of my own content as of recently. But if I go down, that's a little music video shoot happening tomorrow. This one, for instance, this is just a little meme, and I love it because it's like two of the greatest memes going around right now, just pushed together. It's like slaps through a car, and then the fake taxi girl, is that a car salesman? Good shit. I just shared that to I think 8 groups or some shit. It's got 95 shares now. I posted this a few days ago. Look at that. I don't know any of those people, man. I didn't use any ads, and people are sharing something I posted, and it's saying Gvng shared a photo, and they're sharing that photo. It's getting your name around. See, look, there's me. I shared it to memes, and then I shared it to my timeline, and then I shared it to Meme Supreme. That's it. Again, only 2 groups I shared it to, and then automatically all these people share it. So you just gotta like target your content. It doesn't have to be like content you post, like you post memes and stuff. It doesn't necessarily have to be about your page, as long as you're active enough. Like, it doesn't have to be about what your page is about, as long as you're active enough on your page about what your page is about. And then what you do is you share these memes to the groups, and it gets all these people liking them. And then when you click the actual photo, you can click like, and then it shows you the people that liked it. And then it actually gives you this option where you can invite the people that liked that video to your page. So even if they see this description saying like our page for more Gvng, and they forget to go like it, you can invite them to come like your fucking page, and then everything's Gucci. You get so much more likes that way than paying for an ad to go around and get likes. Facebook probably really doesn't like that I'm even doing this right now, because like it's probably going to lose them a lot of money. But you don't need the Facebook ads. You just need to utilize the groups. That's why SoundCloud took away groups, because you're supposed to use Facebook groups and other platforms to do this shit. That reached 9,000 people. That's crazy. And it's just going to keep reaching people, because 95 other people that from around the world that I don't even know shared that shit. You got to just utilize these groups, man. And then what I noticed when I first started my page out, and like when I'd post stuff about my vlogs and stuff, and it only reached like 14 people, when I noticed after I started making these posts that reached 9,000 people, if I make these posts about my vlog and stuff, and I only share them to like little groups, like vlogging groups, into my page and stuff, and like my timeline, I've noticed that it still reaches like 200 people because my page now has 500 likes instead of 34. You know what I mean? And you just post other content. Like if you're doing memes and stuff and YouTuber content, post stuff about other YouTubers. PewDiePie shared a fucking meme about Demi Lovato fucking overdosing, and everybody hated that shit. I'm a YouTuber too, so I wanted to share that, get other people's opinion on it. Some people thought that people were too hard on PewDiePie. They thought it was a good meme, and other people agreed with that comment. People will start communicating on your page, and then the more that they go to your page and communicate on your page to see this other content, there's an even higher chance that they're going to come and see your content. And all you got to do is utilize shit to groups. Let's go into another little video example here. Let's see what's going on up here with the video examples. That's our live video. That's what we're watching right now. Let's go into here. Let's do an example with an ad. So here's a video that I made an ad for. I paid about $20 for this fucking ad. Let me tell you, not one single person went to my Shopify to purchase this product. Not one. Not a single one. It's got 7.7K views. I think it reached about 20,000 people, 22,000 people. Only 7K watched it. At 22,000 people it reached. And it got no actual clicks on the link. And I spent a lot of money, actually. It's kind of a little bit, I'm struggling a little bit this month because of how much money I spent on this. And it just didn't give me the results I would get on my own, just utilizing the Facebook groups. So good things, join all the rap music groups. If you make like memes, or if you like have memes about a certain artist, like for instance, like Post Malone. Post Malone has a huge following, especially with memes. If you got a bunch of Post Malone memes and you also make rap music, I would suggest like posting those memes and sharing those to meme groups and Post Malone groups. And that will get you almost like exactly the shit that you're looking for. All those plays, all of it. Like here's just another little one. This only got 6.1K views, but I shared this to like 3 or 4 groups. When you see another Mazda Miata, they're both just popping out their headlights like that. Everybody fucking liked it. Now it's got a bunch of people sharing it too, and the views are just gonna keep going up because more people are gonna see it. You tell 2 friends, they tell 2 friends. It's the old word of mouth trick. Word of mouth is the best publicity. What you want to do is you want to get other people talking about your name, and what you could do. And it's perfectly fine. Everybody does this. Don't be afraid to do this. Is you just find other really great content and you repost it and you link people to your page, as well as posting your own content. And then when people share stuff like Snoop Dogg responds to Wo Vicky, 20K views, it says that Glitch Gang posted that. And they're like, damn, I want to check out Glitch Gang. And then they see all of your content. And it's just like that. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully Mizzy will be here soon for the Mizzy Malcolm interview. Stay tuned for that. And at 6 p.m. we got another show for submissions. I hope this helped you guys a lot. And like our page for more tutorials about promoting your pages and getting that clout. Thanks for watching.